Okay, what's going on, guys? So viewer request to do a speed check light up on the 2015 Silverado. It's doing good so far, but I got the snowblower on the DR, almost getting ready for winter. Probably do that this Friday, I think. So far I really like the Silverado. I mean, especially the new ones. The new one, this one is just freaking awesome. It drives like a car. The only thing I'm considering is putting a leveling kit on it. I'm considering it because to me you can tell like the front, I mean I guess it's part of aerodynamics, but maybe leveling kit will be my next thing I put on it. Of course I got the volunteer plates on it too. And of course you can't really see the interior lights, which is awesome. Steps came with the truck. Tonneau cover. Of course my stupid battery. I can't have anything nice cameras at all, guys. Like I try to buy nice shit for you guys to enjoy my videos on, and it just goes to shit. That's cute. What one did I knock out? I didn't knock any of them. Yeah, see, I don't like this brick. There we go. Oh! Of course, I also got the new unification pager. Now, our department didn't buy it, I bought it. Gotta love the, what are those called? The split Raptor visor bars. You can still see them almost from a side. And then you got the K-Force Mini, the 21-inch one. The only thing is, I think I should have went with TIR and not linear, because TIR cuts through the glass a lot easier than linear does. But of course, I'm not going to wash my truck or wash the tanker, because the last time I did that, we had a mutual aid structure fire, and then we had a structure fire the next day. It's funny. I washed the brush truck, we get an EMS call. I washed the mini pumper, we got a car accident. I washed the tanker, we get a fire. And I washed the engine, and we get our own fire. So I'm like banished from washing trucks right now. It's like I'm not gonna wash mine. But definitely pretty bright, and I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is what you wanted. And let me know about a leveling kit. My biggest concern is gas mileage, because I love getting 20 miles per gallon every day and all day. Freaking love this. I'll have to show you too, because at Five Guys where I'm working now, we had to do potatoes, and they were down the road at a neighbor's house, and so I was asked to pretty much move about 3,000 pounds of potatoes from down the street into Five Guys, into the restaurant to rotate them. And you bet your ass I used my truck. And the manager's like, well, if something happens, you know, we got to pay for it. Yeah, you do. So, and you know what? So that's what I had. Nice big load of potatoes in the back. But I'm disappointed in Speed Tech though. I wish they came out with one with the Silverado, because I bought one that goes with the Tahoe. So if anybody has Raptor visor lights and needs the Tahoe brackets, like, get a hold of me, because I got a spare I don't need. I'll put them right on eBay for the same price. They're not even used. I don't know what that is about. Alright guys, thanks for watching.